Are you spending money to get clicks and then letting your product page waste them? Here is a scary math example. If your listing gets 10,000 visits a month and converts at 10%, that's 1,000 orders. Now imagine you improve conversion to 11%, that's 100 extra orders without buying a single extra click. And you know what? Amazon's own claim is wild. Basic A Plus can lift sales up to 8%, but Premium A Plus can lift sales up to 20%. So today I'm going to show you exactly what Premium has that Basic doesn't and how to use it like an expert, not like a decoration. I will show you side-by-side examples, then I will give you a simple checklist you can copy. So let's jump in. Most sellers think A Plus content is a nice design, but the real job of A Plus is simple. Stop confusion, build trust first, make the buyer say, "Yup, this is the one." Basic A Plus can do some of that, but Premium A Plus gives you more space, more interaction and better selling modules. So you can answer questions before the customer even asks. A Plus content is basically your mini landing page inside Amazon. It's where you explain the product visually. Features, benefits, use cases, comparisons, without making people read a wall of text. And in 2026, buyers scroll a lot. So the question is, what are they seeing while they scroll? Here is a simple way to think about it. Basic A Plus is like a clean brochure. Premium A Plus is like a mini interactive showroom. Now let me prove it with real modules. Alright, I have two listings open. This one uses Basic A Plus and this one uses Premium. First thing you will notice, Premium looks bigger and take more space if I compare to the Basic. Now Basic takes less space. If I go to the backend and see the Premium image, here you can see Premium modules can use a wider desktop image area, 1464 pixel wide, which literally gives you a more room to show detail and grab attention. Now more space means bigger product shots, bigger benefit callouts, less cramped feeling, and honestly it just looks more premium. And on Amazon, looks premium means feels safer to buy. Now watch this. Premium can add video modules inside A+. This is huge because video does three things. Shows the product in action, explain fast, and reduces doubt. If your product has movement, setup, transformation, before and after, texture, size, anything like that, video is your cheat code. And in Basic A+, you don't get this A+ video module. So you're stuck doing everything with a static image. Next, image carousels. This is one of my favorite premium modules because customers can click through multiple slides like a mini story. You can use it for 4 to 6 key features, use cases, what's included, size guide, step by step how to use. It keeps people engaged without making the page feel overwhelming. Now in the Premium A Plus modules, you get 3 different carousels. Premium Navigation Carousel, Regimen Carousel, and Simple Images Carousel. I have seen top seller use this one pretty frequent. Basic A Plus can still look good, but it's missing these interactive tools. And that matters because interaction equals to attention and attention equals to conversation. Now let's talk about the most important sales module, the comparison chart. This is where a lot of brands accidentally lose buyers because the buyer is thinking, okay, but which one should I pick? Is there a better size, or is there a bundle, or is there a newer version? A comparison chart answers that instantly. And here is the premium advantage. Premium comparison table can show up to 7 products in the chart. So instead of comparing your product to competitor, you guide them to compare within your brand. That's how you keep customers in your ecosystems. Now the interesting thing is that in Basic A Plus modules, you can also get a comparison chart, but you have only one option. And also the feature is limited. Finally, the big thing that only Premium A Plus has is that a Q&A module, like this one. And trust me, this is a great way to convert shoppers. Like when a shopper clicks on your listing, they will see the images, features, benefits, everything you have added. Now they might still have a question about the product. And before they start doubting, before they scroll through reviews trying to find answers, that's where the Q&A module comes in. You add the most frequently asked questions and you answer them clearly upfront. So you remove confusion before it even starts. That's exactly what the Q&A module is for. In Basic, you do not have this, so Premium wins. Anyway, just because I praised Premium A Plus doesn't mean Basic A Plus is useless. Even with Basic A Plus, if you do it properly, it can still work really well. Great experts like the team at eComclips can turn your Basic A Plus into a conversion machine. Yes, the options are limited in Basic A Plus, but even with just images and text, you can create something powerful, something that looks clean and professional and informative. Not just good looking, but something that clears doubts and gives real, valuable information about the product. Let me show you an example. Now this is the first module, and if you notice, the image looks very engaging. It feels realistic. We created it in a way that gives you that realistic vibe. Even though this is a basic A+ and we had a limited space. Still, if you look at it closely, let me open this image in another tab. See, this whole area is our canvas, and this white portion is blended in such a way that when we see it on the listing, it gives a realistic feeling. Anyway, this is the second module. We add icons here with minimum text so that shopper can understand without reading anything. Now this is the next module, and this one is more ingredient focused. Here we are visually breaking down the formula. Instead of just saying what's inside, we are showing it. You can see the capsule as the hero, and from there we are connecting each magnesium type with a clean pointer layout. Each one has its own visual, its own space, so it doesn't feel crowded. Notice the background, that deep slightly smoky blue. It adds depth, it makes the white capsules and powders pop. Gives it that premium, science-backed feel. So when a shopper scrolls, they instantly understand this isn't just magnesium, it's a smart blend. Now this module is more lifestyle driven. Here we are not just talking about the product, we are showing the experience. You see the model taking the capsule, very natural, very relatable. It instantly answered the question, how do I take this? The headline is bold and clear. Simple steps to unlock wellness. Straight to the point, no confusion. On the right side, we kept it clean with 3 benefit icons. Promotes relaxation, supports bone health, and boosts energy. Okay, the text is strong visual balance. So when someone scrolls, they understand the uses and the benefits in seconds. Clean, practical, conversion focused. Next, where we are showing outcomes, active life, better sleep, less stress, 3 real-life scenarios so shoppers can instantly see where they fit. Simple visuals, clear benefits, no overthinking. Now this is the emotional clause. Strong headline, powerful lifestyle image, and confident product statement. It ties everything together, benefits plus formula, and leaves the shopper with one feeling. This is the complete solution. And finally, the comparison chart. In Basic A+, you only get one option, so we use that properly. No wasting space. Now look at this A+ content. It's clean, it's eye-catchy, it matches the product vibe, and at the same time, it gives real information. Not just pretty design, but clarity. And maybe you don't have a premium access yet, that's okay. At eComclips, we can turn your Basic A+ into something that feels premium. Because design is not about how many modules you have, it's about how you use them. So the real question isn't basic or premium. The real question is, who is designing your A+ content? If you want help doing that right way, or if you want us audit your listing and show you what to fix, send us email at info@eComclips.com or comment in this video. And if you are serious about scaling, we can design your Basic A+ to feel premium and your premium to feel like a brand showroom. That's it. Stop wasting traffic, start converting it. See you in the next one.